Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan Outstanding Institution Award 2021 in Higher Education for Women. Congratulations, TVNL Amal College for Women Autonomous. We congratulate the management, president, secretary, principal, staff, students, supporting staff, and everyone of TVNI Amal College for Women Autonomous, Villupuram, Tamil Nadu. ES Educational Charities was established in 1983 by the esteemed industrialist, philanthropist, and the president of Tamil Nadu Inland Fishermen Association, Thiru E. Swamikannu. ES Educational Charities has carved for itself a name in the field of women's education in Villupuram district and has been rendering a commendable service for more than 3 decades. Owing to the untiring efforts of the visionary management and the unstinted support of the parents and students, it has blossomed into 12 institutions under the ES Group banner. Founded in 1989, TVNI Amal College for Women was accredited by NAC with A grade and conferred the status of autonomy by UGC. Autonomous status was extended for future 6 years till 2021 and 22 academic year. The college adopts choice-based credit system with focus on academic excellence, occasional skill development, value orientation and sensitization for community development. Its creative and flexible curriculum aims to provide each student with the best possible opportunity to fulfill their intellectual potentials and to contribute towards resolving the global challenges of the day. The college emerged as the leading self financing college in Villupuram district in terms of student strength, number of academic enrichment programs, faculty strength, and student development activities. The college has a good track record in extracurricular activities like NCC, NSS, cultural activities, and sports achievements. The college embraces updated and contemporary curriculum, making the best use of its autonomous status. TVMN College for Women is marching ahead on the road to success, preserving the traditional values and powered by modern technology. The college functions with focus on its mission, women empowerment. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan Outstanding Institution Award 2021 in recognition of the consistent superior performance in higher education for women and upon the recommendations of the Committee on Red Talks International Academic Excellence Awards, Ratna Prasad Multidisciplinary Research and Educational Society acknowledges the institutional service and contributions to the academic society. TVNI Amal College for Women Autonomous, Villupuram, Tamil Nadu, and is pleased to present this prestigious institutional academic award in the India's 75th Independence Day Excellence Awards conferring ceremony August 15, 2021 by President Red Talks. Congratulations, sir.